Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to learn CH. We're going to learn what sound it says when it's in a word, and learning the sounds that letters make when we see them together in a word is going to help us sound out some words. Excuse me. So usually C says like cat, or why is cat the only C word that I can think of? Ooh, cake, or Chris. I don't know. I can't think of many C words at the moment. And then H usually says like we've been running and we're out of breath. Like horse, or house, or him, or here. Lots of H words I can think of apparently today. Well, these two letters go together to make a digraph. And what that means, can you say digraph? Really big word, I know. It means that these two letters come together to make a completely different sound. So our C usually says k, and our H usually says h. But when we see these two next to each other in a word, we don't say k. We say ch, ch, like choo-choo train. Ch, ch. Can you practice making that sound? Ch, ch, ch. Like you're a choo-choo train chugging along. Ch. There are words that can start with CH, and this line just means that there's other letters to follow, or there's words that end with CH. It does not matter if we see CH at the beginning of a word, at the end of the word, or at the middle of the word. Every time we see CH in a word, it always says ch. It always says ch. Okay, so when we're learning, let's learn ch, CH. Okay, for this page, you are going to take your pencil. Let me switch over to my pencil. We're going to practice tracing. I'm going to try to do this out of the way a little bit so that way you can see. I'm starting at the top of my letter, and I'm going around. C, and then for the H, I start at the top. I'm sorry, my camera is not very friendly right now. And then I don't pick my pencil up. I go up halfway and around. I don't pick my pencil up for the H or the C. It's one movement. I put my pencil down. I make the C. I pick my pencil up. I put my pencil down. I go down, halfway up, over, and down. Then I pick my pencil up. Okay, each are one motion. I only pick my pencil up at the very end. On these two little parts of the line, we're going to practice making our own CH. So my C starts below the dotted line, so I'm going to start at the dotted line. And I'm going to go around and then pick my pencil up. And then for the H, my H is a tall letter, so my H starts in the sky. And it goes all the way down to the grass, up to, I forget what this is, and then down to the ground. Okay? What is the middle? Where the airplane flies or the bird flies? Something that flies. And then we're going to try to do this again. C, H. And tell me one more time, what sound does CH make when we see it in a word? Ch. Like this word, we know this word. So let's look. I'm going to show you how we can sound out a word by knowing our letter sounds. Here is my unknown word. I have no idea what word this is, but Miss Rentschler, I know IN. IN is one of my sight words. What word is IN? In, right? I know IN is in. Well, Miss Rentschler, you just told me what CH says. CH says ch. So if I say inch, inch, I gotta run them together. Inch, inch. What word does that sound like in my head? Inch. Like an inchworm, or I'm measuring on a ruler, and it is 1 inch. Inch is a word that we can sound out. Let's see. Here's another unknown word. Some of these words that are on this page have other parts of sounds that we haven't learned yet, or they're heart words. They still do have the CH, but they're not necessarily decodable words. A decodable word is a word that we can sound out. So we read two different words when we read. We read decodable words and we read heart words. Okay? A decodable word is a word that we can sound out, and a heart word means that the letters in the word doesn't make the sounds that we know or that follows a certain pattern, like every time I see CH it says ch. That's not true for some of the letters, and that's what makes them heart words. Like the videos that we've been watching for to and have. Those are some of our sight words that we've learned. This one is a decodable word, and inch is a decodable word too. All of these letters make the sounds that we know. So, there's 3 sounds in this word. Remember, the CH is 2 letters, but it goes together to make one sound. What sound does M make? What sound does U make? We might have to try this word 2 times because remember, U makes 2 sounds. U says you, but U also says like umbrella. Mooch. Mooch. That doesn't sound like a word to me. Let's try with the short U. Much. 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 I like it very much. This word must be much. Okay? So see how we can use that to help us sound out words. We are just doing all sorts of highlighting today. We're going to grab our highlighter for this section of our paper. It says, highlight the CH words. Is there a CH in rich? Rich? There sure is right here. So we're going to highlight it. Highlight doesn't mean scribble over the word until I rip a hole in my paper. Highlight means I do one line through the paper, or through the word. I just do one line through the word. And if I'm using a smaller marker, I don't know if I have a smaller one, but I'll use my yellow pen for the next one to show you. Tooth. Is there CH in tooth? No, so I'm not going to highlight it. What about beach? Beach. Is there CH in the word beach? There sure is at the end. So if I have a thinner, well, you can't see that at all. Let me see. I do have a thin yellow one. So here's a thinner marker. I just do one line through it. You can't see it so much on the computer screen, but I can see it in real life. Okay? So just one line through. If you don't have a thick highlighter, that's okay. You don't need a thick highlighter. One line through though. What about rush? Rush. Is there CH in rush? No, there's not a CH in rush. So we would not highlight that word. I want you to finish this square, okay? You go through and finish highlighting the CH words. Write the CH words from the list above in the matching boxes. Huh? This makes no sense. All right, for the bottom, I think we're missing something. Write the CH words from the list above in the matching boxes. I think this is supposed to have sound boxes, and you're supposed to write the words from up here down here. So you could just practice reading these words. Each, teach, beach, rich, punch, march, itch, bench, peach, much. Okay? And notice at the end, we hear ch at the end of all of these words because it ends with the CH. Okay? So, we trace together, we practice writing together. The thing that you have to finish is highlighting the CH words in this middle box. And then you are done with this page. You do not need to turn this page in because we walked through it together. Thank you for learning with me.